Let's begin with, if you don't mind, can you kind of define religious abuse and trauma?
Yeah, you bet. We talk a lot in the psychotherapy field now about religious trauma. And generally speaking, we are really just referring to trauma, just any kind of trauma that occurs in a religious setting. And so you can really look at the definition for trauma generally, whether we're just talking about single event trauma or complex
Mm-hmm.
trauma. And if that kind of trauma has occurred because of a spiritual leader, because of religious teachings, dogma, community pressure, etc., then it generally falls under the umbrella of religious trauma. When it comes to trauma and the several different types of trauma that you hear discussed, the actual visceral element of trauma, the way that it impacts our body, really doesn't care if it's religion, if it's a car crash, if it's
True.
somebody that you love that died. It doesn't care what it is. If it's traumatic, it's traumatic. There's just different subjects or situations that tend to be more likely to cause trauma, and those each come with their own individual implications. Like somebody who maybe has been in the military and has experienced profound trauma, being overseas and seeing combat, etc. We might
Mm-hmm.
have a very specific set of interventions or communities support, etc., that we help veterans with because of the type of trauma they've experienced. Similar to we have spiritual trauma or religious trauma that we may need to find specific communities for and have specific interventions for. It also tends to be an interesting difference between those two. High level is a lot of military trauma tends to be your classic PTSD single event trauma, something specific that happened. Versus religious trauma, we do have single event trauma sometimes with religious trauma, something
Mm-hmm.
very specific that happened. And when I refer to single event trauma, I mean something that has a pretty defined beginning and end point. We do have some of that with religious trauma, but usually the religious trauma tends to be complex trauma, which is a
Yeah.
traumatic experience somebody goes through that occurs over a long period of time, a dynamic that they are living in, or a thought process that impacts them heavily, a fear of hell that lingers with them day to day to day, year to year, etc. So that's a high level how I would answer your question on what it is. Does that help?